Hi, my name is Michael. Welcome to day 2 of our launch week here at Langfuse. I'm a product engineer and I'm excited to share new ways to collaborate within Langfuse with you. Building LLM applications is hard. The last 20% are actually the toughest. Going from it works to it works reliably requires teamwork. It requires understanding of the domain and what's going on under the hood on the technical side. This is why we are launching Comments, a new way to interact directly within Langfuse and discuss what matters. Until now, you had to share links to sessions or traces outside of Langfuse if you wanted to collaborate with your colleagues. Now you can do it directly within Langfuse, where the data lives. Just go into the comment field and type @ and mention any user that has access to the project. They will get an email with a deep link that sends them right back to the specific comment they were mentioned at. Want to keep organized? We support Markdown formatting directly in the comment field. And in case there's a comment thread that has gotten too long, you can use the quick search feature to filter for any text you're looking for. Need to find a comment days after you have been mentioned? Well, just head back to your email inbox and use the full text search feature there to find whatever you need to find. We want to double down on collaboration and are excited to see what you will be building with Langfuse. If you have ideas how to improve it, then head over to our GitHub discussions and let us know how we can improve. Comments are now available on sessions, traces, observations, and prompts. And before I forget it, we also added reactions for those lightweight and fun moments.